Please come inside. Please close the door. Everybody sit down. Let's start. Today we are going to talk about imperatives. Imperatives are used to give commands or to make requests. They can also be used to give directions or warnings. Let's look at some imperative examples. Imperatives are formed using the base form of the verb. The base form of the verb is the infinitive without to. If you would like to know more about infinitives, check out the short video we made. The link will appear right about here. Also, please like and subscribe to help us grow and reach more people. Stop! This is the base form of the verb to stop. An exclamation mark is used if the imperative is urgent. Let's look at some examples. Get up. Eat your dinner. Be careful. Help! Give that to me. Buy these shoes. Don't go too fast. Don't take your eyes off the road. Do not or don't can be added before the verb to make an imperative negative. Don't turn here. Don't leave me. Let's look at some examples of negative imperatives. Don't sit there. Don't eat that pizza. Don't run so fast. I've just painted the wall. Don't touch it. Chica, come here. An imperative sentence does not usually have a subject, but sometimes a noun or pronoun is used to make it clear who is being talked to. Let's go look at some examples. You stay there. For emphasis, you can be used as an imperative clause. Aaron, hurry up. Joe, clean the window. Have fun, Aaron. The subject can also be placed at the end. What a long day. Just give me a minute, please. Imperatives in English can be considered rude. Words can be added to make them more polite. Okay, I'm coming. Please pass the ball. Please can be placed before the imperative verb to make a request more polite. Take a seat, please. Please can also be placed at the end of the sentence. Just go relax. Just can go before the imperative. Do come in. Do can go before the imperative verb to make a request more formal. It's sunny today. Let's go out. It is cold. Let's not go out. Let's can be used to make a suggestion for an activity that includes the speaker. Let's finish with some examples. It's sunny today. Let's go out. Base form. It's cold. Let's not go out. Not goes after let's to form the negative. I hope this lesson helped you understand imperatives. Go ahead and come up with your own imperatives and let us know in the comment section. See you next time.